Today we are delving deeply into the enchanted world of clairaudience. Have you ever heard a voice or sound others couldn't? Alternatively, you might have questioned how psychics could hear communications from beyond the physical world. That, my friends, is the art of clarity. Among the most amazing psychic talents is clairaudience, sometimes referred to as clear hearing. It lets people hear messages, voices, or sounds that others in the physical world overlook. It is like tuning into a frequency most people cannot reach. Thus, how does it work? Clairaudience can sometimes be described as an internal voice, a subtle whisper in your head, or even a clear outside voice. These messages, however, come from spiritual entities, guides, angels, or even loved ones who have passed, not from your own ideas. Clairaudience may also experience high-pitched sounds ringing in their ears, or even music without a physical source. These all point to the spirit realm attempting to reach you. Techniques for growing clairaudience. Meditation. Start by quieting your mind. Clairaudience works best when you're relaxed and open to receiving. Trust your intuition. When you hear something, trust it. Don't immediately dismiss it as your imagination. Journaling. Write down any messages, sounds, or voices you hear. This will help you recognize patterns and validate the experiences. Practice active listening. Tune into the world around you. As you improve your listening skills, your clairaudience will grow. Real-life illustrations. A psychic medium might, for instance, hear the name of a loved one, a message from a spirit guide, or even warnings on forthcoming events. For those that seek it, this is a wonderful gift providing direction, healing, and connection. John Edwards is a well-known psychic who draws on this gift. Are you ready to unlock your clairaudient abilities? Do you or someone you know have clairaudient abilities? Comment below and share your personal experiences. Whether you're new to psychic development or looking to deepen your skills, remember that everyone has the potential to hear the whispers of the universe. Be patient, keep practicing, and trust the process. To ensure you never miss a step on your spiritual path, kindly enjoy this video, subscribe to the Ethereal Psychic Development Academy, and activate alerts.